curious day is a curious day. Why are we in the bathroom? That's a great question. Why are we here? I'll answer that in 1 second. What's good, guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and today you're probably asking yourself, Becca, why are you in the bathroom? So today I'm gonna be dyeing everything black for October, for Halloween, for spooky season. Everything will be black. Yes, I'm sitting on my toilet. I'm just gonna say it. Yes, I'm sitting on my toilet. Yes, it makes a little noise. We're gonna just try to ignore that. So today I'm gonna be dyeing 4 different things. 2 of the things the bottle said should work. 2 of the things the bottle said shouldn't work. So we're just gonna see. We're just gonna see what happens. You didn't notice, here's my black box of things to be dyed. The first thing I have is actually what inspired the video. I have had this bottle of dye for, I wanna say, like 3, 4, maybe even 5 years now, because I haven't dyed it. This jacket, I'm forgetting what they're called. I think it's a Sherpa. Next, these jeans. I've been looking for black men's jeans from the thrift store for so long, and every time I find them, they're always this kind of black. So I'm gonna dye them black. All right, next, this is the thing I don't really care about. I bought this a couple years ago. I think I wore it literally once. I don't wear this color. This is 100% polyester, and it said do not dye something that's over 40% polyester. We're just gonna see what happens. Lastly, we have this shirt. I really like this shirt a lot. I don't know why. I thought it was a good idea when I was bleaching a bunch of stuff that I wanted to do this. And so I did this, and I don't know if you could tell in the camera, but it's slightly bleached. Also, I would have hated this bleach tie-dye. I don't know why I thought that I would like that. But because I did that, I'm gonna see if I dye it black, it'll change it. I looked up why it said you shouldn't dye polyester, and it said that it just wouldn't dye it evenly or dye it at all, and that's definitely why it didn't bleach. That is why it didn't bleach right, because it's polyester. So we're just gonna see what happens. We're gonna figure this out together. I don't know, you don't know, maybe you know, maybe I just don't know. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna let that fill up real halfway. All right. Submerge unfolded wet fabric into dye bath. So I'm gonna make them wet, take them out, put the stuff in. Okay. Those are all wet now. I feel like I took out a bunch more water, so I'm just gonna fill it up a little more. Oh God, okay. I'm gonna pour this in. I'm gonna mix it up. This when everything's dissolved. I guess it doesn't help that I bought a black bucket. Got a little too steamy in here. Probably because I was in here, but we can say it was the hot water, but it was really... Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Did I do it all? Did I do everything? Submerge wet unfolded fabric into dye bath. Stir consistently for 30 minutes. I have to do this for 30 minutes. Guys, my arms are gonna fall off. We're ready. "30 minutes. Go." Bro, I've been sitting here like this. I feel like I've been rowing a boat for 30 minutes. I'm gonna be buff after this.
Yo, what's your workout regimen like?
Dyeing clothes for 30 minutes every day? Try it. It's sick. Thank God. So I just went and I put everything in the wash, so we're gonna see how that turns out. While we wait for that, my friend has come over. Hi, you remember her from my tattoo video. So Belle's gonna be dyeing my hair black now.
I have no experience.
You've done it before. We've done it. We've been to college and did the hair thing.
I sure went to art school.
Well, you're just going.
Well, you have to. Yeah. You gotta just do it.
Right.
Gotta do it.
What are you doing?
I'm giving your fans ASMR content. They're not here for ASMR. They're here to see us
at dying. I don't think you know what your fans want. Because I'm pretty sure
I'm part of your fan base and I'm here for the ASMR.
When we drop this whole thing, I'm gonna look like Alyssa. What?
You're gonna look like what? Alyssa? I don't know. I thought you just said you're gonna look like Alyssa.
No.
A lizard?
look like a lizard.
Oh. What?
Why
Why am I here? Don't even have to do a little bit of worrying. 'Cause I'm a professional. What are you saying,
What?
Sam?
Nothing. We're on the topic of brisket.
The best brisket comes from little old men in New Mexico who make it in their backyard.
She did it. Thank you. We have it. 30 minutes. And then we'll be back. Alright, so the timer's up. So I'm going to wash it out. But I'm probably going to finish the video a different day so I can blow dry it and the clothes can dry. So, see you, future me. I'm back. I guess first I'll reveal my hair since I'm here. Let's have a sexy hair reveal. So, what do you think? I love it. I've dyed my hair this color before, so it wasn't anything crazy. Also, the fact that my hair is also very dark already, so it's not like it's a drastic change. Yeah, and there we go. I dyed my hair. Worked out so well. I'm so happy with it. I guess next we could just go get my clothes out of the dryer because they've been in there for a whole day. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, okay. This looks pretty good. Nice. Okay, so now we know to listen to the internet. Dye does not work on polyester. It fixed it. Oh, I'm so happy. All right, so we'll start off with the with the awful one. Yeah, this really didn't dye. There you go. I'm so happy about this because I really did ruin it. This one was also polyester and it said it wasn't supposed to work, so I'm happy that it did. Next I have my jacket. This is more gray. I feel like maybe if I did it again it would be more black, but I still like this a lot actually. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And lastly was my most successful item, which was my jeans that were the thing that was already pretty much black. I'm happy about that. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's all I got for you. I dyed a bunch of crap for Halloween. I'm realizing at this second that this corner of my room is the only spot in my room that's not decorated for Halloween. I made it more Halloween-y. So if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe to the video down below. I really appreciate it. It'd be the best Halloween gift to me. And me and Ernest will say, I guess we'll see you next time. Bye guys.